Business never fails. It's what we fail in a business and accuse business got failed. Suppose we write an exam and we failed in that exam. Do we say the exam failed? No, right? We accept as we failed in that exam. Same way, the business never fails. We fail in business due to insufficient knowledge, learning, and experience, etc. Stop blaming this business failed, that business failed. Business is built for profits, not for losses. Business is made to exchange values. Some losers failed in exchange and abuse. The business got failed. Business is innocent. In next video, let's talk about why do you want to do the business. Why do you want to do the business? Don't do the business to earn money. Don't do the business if you have a passion on something. Do business only if you are good at it. It may sound little rude, but it's a fact. Everyone in the world not able to do the business. Business is not everyone's cup of tea. We should understand this. Once we accept this, lot of failure or losses can be avoided. It is not that every failure leads to the success in a business. No. Few of the failures may lead to success. Few of the failure may lead to disaster. Example, why do I coach? Not because you don't know something, not because you want to learn something, only because you are good at learning. You will even learn with the required subject, even if it is with a bad coach. You can understand the subject very easily because you are good at learning. For that, the coach need not to be good. Even a textbook is self-explanatory. So still you are learning very well because you are good at learning, not with a good coach or something. Likewise, if you are already good at business, then you are good at it. You can do best even with the worst product. You can sell a worst product very well if you are good at business. Else, if you are not at all good at business, even the best product will not contribute the sales to you. At least to survive in a business, you need not to learn how to do the business. No one can teach for some other person who doesn't know how to do the business and teach them how to do the business. At least we can teach someone what all the mistakes can be avoided while doing the business. So in a running business, if you avoid those mistakes, at least you can survive in that business rather than learning the things how to do the business. Just avoid it. Just avoid the mistakes in a business so you can survive on that business. And there will be a possibilities the business can grow. Why you have to do the business? Not just because you lost the job, not just because you want to earn money. Do business only if you are good at it, or else you will go under loss. Continue to watch next on Your Ideas Are Not 100%. Your ideas are not 100%. You got a business idea and you start working on it. Nothing wrong. What's wrong is you assume it as 100% idea. No, your idea is not 100%. Your idea keeps on getting tested and clear your doubts once you start working on it. The sub idea or updated idea keeps on getting added, deleted, and takes a new version every time. The collected ideas get constructed like a pyramid and form a mountain of established business. All your ideas becomes establishment. Ideas comes step by step, not in full form. Do not commit anything at beginning of your business based on your initial idea. Idea is a baby. Allow it till it becomes adult. Your idea is not 100%. Continue to watch next video on We Assume We Tried That Business. We assume we tried that business. We got an idea, excited to start a business on that, started, went on well. Later it came down and failed and closed. Later we say we tried that business. Wrong. Actually, that business tried us. That business tested us. And we got failed. It's not which business we chose, it's which business chose us and tested us. Example, we can only choose the course like hotel management and assume we cannot run a automobile business. What if we fail in a hotel business even after doing the hotel management course? And what if automobile business waiting to choose us and may give success? We assume we tried hotel business, but indirectly that hotel business tried us and failed us. We have to consider we didn't suit for it. We can try any sports, but the cricket has to choose us by trying us. Lot of cricketers didn't choose cricket, but cricket chose them. Lot of actors didn't chose acting, but acting tried them and chose them. Same way, we cannot try that business. Indirectly, the business will try us. Continue to watch next on When You Don't Know Which Business to Do. When you don't know which business to do, the new excited beginners studies what's trending in market or plans to start something just because it's running well in market and friends and others are earning good money. No, when you don't know which business to do, please don't follow trend or friend. At least be aware which business you should not do, even if it's trending currently in a market and you doesn't fit to it. Best way to figure out what you should do is list out your interest. In that filtered list, again filter to which business you can start with almost no investment. In that list, then decide which business will consume very lesser time of yours, so you will get additional time to work on that decided business. So finally your decided business is under your interest with almost no investment and consumes your lesser amount of time. So you can work on that business very peacefully without any fear. This is the way to identify when you don't know which business to do. All the best for your new business. Why you have to watch my video? Because you have to scan your business plan. What will happen if you watch my video? You will only identify the simple mistakes in your business if you watch my videos. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe your business is my business. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe one of your business. Common sense is sufficient. New sense is efficient. Come and join with New Sense Benoy. Hope you all are SSLC holders. Shared, subscribed, liked and commented. For me to become your PA